Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us continue the poem How to Tell Wild Animals. In our previous session we came to know about the strange characteristics of three animals. They were lion, tiger and leopard. Now let us continue the poem. If when you are walking round your yard, you meet a creature there who hugs you very hard, be sure it is a bear. If you have any doubts, I guess he will give you just one more caress. See that. If when you are walking round your yard, when you will be walking in your yard, yard means a backyard or front yard, a lawn area of house. When you are walking there, suddenly you will meet a creature there and he hugs you very hard. Then suddenly that animal will come towards you and it will hug you very hard, very tightly. Be sure it is a bear. Then you be sure that animal is nothing but bear. It is the characteristic of bear. It hugs other animals or a person tightly in order to suffocate that person, and that way it kills that animal or person. So if that any animal is coming towards you and it is hugging you tightly, that animal is nothing but bear. It is the strange characteristic of bear. If you have any doubts, I guess he will give you just one more caress. Still, if you have doubt whether it is bear or not, then that bear will give you one more caress. Then it will be confirmed that this animal is definitely a bear. Now, let us move to the next stanza. Though to distinguish beasts of prey, a novice might nonplus. The crocodile you always may tell from the hyena thus. Hyenas come with merry smiles, but if they weep, they are crocodiles. Now, the poet is telling about some beasts of prey. Distinguish means differentiable, and novice means someone new to job, and nonplus means confused. Okay, a new person, okay, someone who is new to job, or the person for the first time who is trying to identify the prey beasts, he may get confusion to how to find that animal, which animal that is. He may get confusion in that. For example, animals like crocodile and hyena, identifying those animals, it may be difficult for a new person, one who doesn't know anything about those animals. He may get confusion to identify those animals. But poet is giving very easy way to identify those animals. See that. Hyenas come with merry smiles, but if they weep, they are crocodiles. See here. How to identify hyenas? If an animal is coming towards you with merry smile. Merry means happy smiles. If an animal is coming towards you with merry smiles, then it is very easy to identify that animal. That animal is nothing but hyena. But if they weep, they are crocodiles. In the same way, if some animals, they are weeping, if the teardrops are coming out of their eyes, then you can identify those animals are crocodiles. Okay, hyenas come with merry smiles and crocodiles, they weep. By these characteristics we can identify those animals. Next one, next stanza. The true chameleon is small, a lizard sort of thing. He hasn't any ears at all and not a single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, 'tis the chameleon you see. In the last stanza, poet is describing the characteristics of a chameleon. She is telling chameleon is small, a lizard sort of thing. Chameleon, it looks like what? A lizard. He hasn't any ears at all. Chameleon, it hasn't any ears and not a single wing. It doesn't have even wings also, single wing also. If there is nothing on a tree, it is chameleon you see. Just imagine you are walking. That time, in front of you, you see a chameleon. And that chameleon, immediately, it runs away from that place and it climbs a tree. After that, if you try to see that creature on the tree, you can't find that on the tree. If there is nothing on the tree, it is chameleon you see. Why can't you see that animal or a creature on the tree? Means already it has changed its color. Changing the color is characteristic of chameleon. So, when you look at this tree, you can't find that creature on the tree because already that creature has changed its color into tree's color. So you can't find that creature on the tree. You feel there is nothing on the tree. Then you can understand that the creature which you have seen earlier, that creature was nothing but chameleon. Okay. With this, we have completed this poem. Let us go for the another topic in the next session. Thank you for watching video.